Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze YouTube video. A Honda Civic Ep3. Now, customer says that he's thrown this together, and that's absolutely fine, because we can only tune with what we're handed, so that's what we're going to do. Each car on its own merit. Let's see what we get out of this. I did notice that we are missing a bumper, but that's for the size of this cannon on the back. So let's go and get some tuning done. Oh, that's nice, ain't it? Ep3 in for
apparently Dan's feeling very soft on every count.
I'm feeling very soft today, but not for you guys. So Ep3 in the house. It's got a cosmic grey wing, and I love cosmic grey. The rest of it's black.
Yeah, a bit of a taste, I think.
Had a little bit of a taste.
Yeah.
Tuned before.
So I wouldn't say, I don't know if it's actually been tuned. It's on K-Pro anyway, either or way. So whether it's a tune from another car or what,
It's revving out to 8.6. So
yeah, I'd say it's probably had a tune off another car on it or whatever. So tunes to these mods, little bit on the cheaper side, I think. This car, budget build, I would definitely say. It's not even an M2 inlet manifold. It's a proper Chinese inlet manifold. Came in and said he couldn't get it to idle.
Tactical racing.
Possibly. Yeah. Couldn't get it to idle. Was being a pain in the ass, and I was like, I've seen this before where they've not drilled the idle speed control way in the actual manifold itself. So with throttle body, I've had a look, and yeah, sure as always, it wasn't there. So we drilled it out, put that in, got it obviously working so it would tick over and not keep cutting out lights and stuff like that. He was trying to do it obviously by adjusting the throttle cables, try and hold it, which obviously was 1 minute it was revving, next minute it was obviously too low. Obviously no consistency there. So we sorted that out for him. But yeah, cheap. It's a Tegiwa copy induction kit, ain't it? I think, or is it actually a Tegiwa?
I think it's a Tegiwa, but you know, most of them are carbon, and this one's not carbon, so it's the plastic one.
Yeah, so I'm not sure. So we're not sure on that one.
I think it's Tegiwa, but it's the plastic.
Yeah, it's the plastic, not the carbon. And then we've got a
both of them are leaf eater letterboxes and don't suck enough air in.
Yeah, and then we've got a copy inlet, real bad copy inlet manifold, and then we've got a 4-to-1 Decat, and then mated with a what exhaust was on it? It definitely points out to the side. I can tell you that much. Is it the HKS?
Something like that.
Yeah. So again, the exhaust could obviously be better. So I think down now, I think we've done okay. We've made 10 wheel horsepower across the graph, so we've made power everywhere, smoothed it out. Something I noticed as well for the pops and bangs on Overun, it was not going as far into the negative as it was, which again will be the cheap throttle body and the map sensor location, and possibly even not drilled.
Now, you know me, I just stand at the back of the car and see great big phenomenal flames coming out of the back of it, but that's data for you, isn't it?
It's for data for me, but also what will happen is it's where it's not drilled properly into the inlet manifold, so it's getting a fast vacuum to the map sensor and stuff like that. So to be honest, it wants a decent inlet manifold on it, I think, and a decent throttle body.
I believe this car's coming back with a built engine, so I believe this is just to get him going.
Yeah. Well, it definitely needs to look at mods if he's going down that route for sure. But shall we have a look at that graph?
Let's have a look at this graph.
So say it with me, red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. Yeah, 10 wheel horsepower pretty much across the rev range there. Not bad at all. It's certainly going to drive better after the lads have made some small modifications to some kit. But there we go, red line as she came in, blue line as she leaves. Leave it on 227 brake horsepower. And yeah, another one in the bag. So thanks for getting to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. Yeah, some modifications to be made, possibly, but this will still go like a scalded cat. A scalded cat on fire with the size of those flames coming out the back of it. Code word for the video, if you got this far, flames, in the comments below. And we'll see you all on the next one.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.
Hey, it's your boy Danny at Dynodaze. Just to let you know, every last Saturday of the month is a Honda meet at Dynodaze. So that's every last Saturday, 9 AM till 12 noon. We've got a rolling road here if you need it. But otherwise, just come down in your Honda, park up, pop your hood, chat to other like-minded enthusiasts. We love it. It's chilled out. So come and join us. Last Saturday of every month, Honda meet. Yeah.